Hello guys, good day everyone. This is the Creators Lodge and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make use of the Pinterest application. Pinterest application is a very powerful tool and every designer needs to know how to use this application. Through this application, you can gain a lot of visibility with your brand, all right, and you can also get clients, all right. So I want to show us in this tutorial how to harness this tool. But before we go ahead, please, if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to like this video, do well to subscribe, and also turn on the notification button so YouTube will notify you whenever I drop an amazing video like this. Alright guys, so this is how the Pinterest application looks like. So once you open it, I have an account. All right, so this is my account and the Pinterest application. So the Pinterest application is an application that can help you to create a portfolio. So maybe a client says that send me a portfolio, send me link of your works or your past projects that you've done. Pinterest is one application that can help you achieve that. There are other applications you can use, applications like Behance. All right, you can use Behance. Instagram also looks like Pinterest, but Pinterest is kind of cool. All right, it's kind of cool and classic compared to Instagram. So I want to show you guys how to open the account. So this is my account. All right, so one amazing thing about the Pinterest application is that you can know how many monthly view you are having, and once people follow your your page, you can know how many people have followed your page, and you can follow people also, and you can post stuff like videos, and you can also, for instance, these are like videos, all right, and these are images, all right, these are images, these are my designs. They are like images that I've uploaded. So if I want to copy this the link of my page now and send to a client, at the top of my screen here you're going to see the share icon. So once I click on share, you're going to see if I want to share it to Instagram, Telegram, message or wherever. But if I don't want to use this share, I could actually click these three dots at the top of my screen. So once I click these three dots, you're going to see copy profile link, and once I click on it, my link is copied. So that's how you copy the link if you want to share a page to a client or maybe stuff like that. So, and at the settings here, you can go to the settings. It helps you to just set the public details and every other thing of your account. So but let me just show you guys how to create an account in Pinterest, because a lot of you guys are saying you don't know how to use the Pinterest application, how to upload your images and stuff like that. So what I'm just going to be doing now, I'm going to first ensure that I'm logged out so that I can just create another account using a different email. So you use your email to create a Pinterest account. So I'm going to log out. All right, so you can either create an account through the application, or you create via Chrome web. All right, Chrome web. So you go to Chrome and you search pinterest.com. So once you search pinterest.com on Google Chrome, it's going to bring the page, so you can create an account there. But I love the application, that's why I'm creating an account via the application. So what I want to do is, once you open the application, you can decide to type using email, and to create an account using email, like clicking your email, putting your password and all that. But the easiest way to do it is to click continue with Google. All right, so once you have your email signed in, all right, the easiest way to do it is to click continue with Google. All right, continue with Google. So I want to click continue with Google. I don't want to just start going through the stress of writing email, password and all that. So once you click continue with Google, it will display the Google account you would want to use. So whatever account it displays, you do that. So I'm just going to click that. Okay, so I'll just used one of my email to log in. Now it's asking me some details, because I've not created an account before with that email. So that is the reason why it's asking how old are you. When I type this now, it's going to take me to another page, stuff like that. So I'm just going to be skipping these ones. I'm going to be showing you guys the necessary things. All right guys, so after typing how old are you, the age, it's also displaying gender. All right, so that's how you keep on going, and it's asking what's your locality. So you keep on going and then asks you welcome to Pinterest, choose any 5 topics of your choice. All right, so I can decide to choose any topic of my choice that I want. So I'll just choose design. This doesn't really matter, but just try to say that these are the things that will be displayed, all right, when you are working with Pinterest. But they can actually display anything, so just choose at random whatever you want to choose, and then you click next once it's up to 5. Now it says all done, hold tight while we customize your home feed. So your home feed is set, and that is all. You are done. You are done creating an account in Pinterest. It's very easy and simple. All right, it's very easy and simple. Now when you go to saved, look at this saved, look at notification, look at the search icon, look at home. All right, there are many things you can do with Pinterest. It's a powerful application, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm only showing you guys how to add images, how to create your portfolio. So once you have created your Pinterest account, at the bottom where it's written save, you click on save. Now you can see the name displayed. All right, the name is going to be displayed and stuff like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to just write create. All right, this create here, once you click on create, it's going to pop up the gallery for you. Okay, so once I click create, your gallery is going to it's going to display your gallery. It's trying to ask you to choose images from your gallery that you want to impute in your page. Now, yes, your page. Now mind you, there are things you can actually work on here. For instance, you can see that the profile picture is just letter M, and you can see that there's no cover photo. Meanwhile, my main page that I just showed you guys in the beginning of this tutorial, there's a cover photo and there's also a profile photo. So you want to work on that. So you can just add everything you need to add in the settings. Once you click the settings, you'll be able to navigate. All right guys, so once you are done with that, it's just going to appear this way. All right, it's going to pop up this way, and it's going to show an empty screen. All right, stuff like that. So you can see the private profile picture is empty, the cover photo is empty, everything is empty. But now once I click create, it's going to give me the opportunity to add only videos. All right, but I want to add also images. So what I'll do, you're going to click on this 3 icon at the top. Meanwhile, anything you want to do here, you can do it via the settings button. All right, so I'm going to click on the 3 icons and I'm going to click on settings. All right, and I'm going to click on account management. What I want to do is I want to move this account from personal account to a creator's account. So once you have a creator's account, it's similar to Instagram. Instagram, we have creators account and we have personal account. There's so little you can do with your personal account, but when you switch to the creators account or the business account, you'll be able to do more things, more features will be opened up on your page. So I'm just going to click on account management. Now once I click on account management, the next thing is I'm going to click on this convert to a business account. All right, so click on it and convert account. Now it's going to ask you for your profile name, so I'm just going to put just creators. All right, have you got a website? I just want to ask if you have a website, but let me just write no website yet. Describe, I'm just going to write creator, creator influencer, no, let's just use publisher or media. So let's go next. All right, publisher or media. Would you ever be interested in running an ads? Yes, I would be. So I'm just going to click next, and once I click next, just ask some stuffs. Click next, and create a pin or explore your profile. How would you like to start? So I can decide to start immediately by creating a pin. I can decide to explore my profile. Now create a pin is going to help me to start adding my images into my page, turning it into a portfolio. So now I'm going to click create a pin. Okay guys, so immediately I click on create a pin, it's going to take me to my gallery straight. So you can see once it took me to my gallery, so I had to choose the folder from where I would be picking the images. So I prefer this folder, and I'm just going to pick any of the image here. So let me pick this image that conversant to it. So once I pick this image, I'm going to click next, and once you click next, the next thing you want to do is to type a name. Give the image a title. So you need to title your image according to the flyer or the design or whatever it is. For instance, this is a birthday flyer design, so I'm just going to write birthday flyer design. All right, so you might want to add a description, stuffs like amazing, any description of your choice. Amazing birthday amazing birthday flyer design. You might want to add a description like this. And then if you have a website, probably you posted this image in your Instagram account. You copy the link from your Instagram account and you add this destination website. You click add, you put the website here, you click go. Once you click go, it will try to load, and then after clicking go, you click OK. All right, so this add website is not really necessary, but if you have this picture maybe on your Instagram account, and you want such that when we click this picture, when somebody comes to your profile and click this picture, it will redirect them to your Instagram account or your YouTube account or your Facebook, whatever account. Just copy the link of that post in whichever of the account and paste it in this destination website. And once you do that, you are good to go. Now the next thing you want to write is alt text. Usually this alt text, you can just write maybe design, comma, flyer, comma, or you can write hash, design, anything like that. All right, anything like that. You just write stuff like that, and when you are done, you click next. Now once you click next, it will ask you if you want to create a board. So that create a board is just like trying to group your designs in one page, in one board, and you can rename the board. So it can be, the name of the board can be my designs. All right, so let me click create a board. You see the name of your first board. I can just write my designs, or I can write flyers. And this is very useful if you want to group your designs. If you want to have boards for maybe birthday design, church flyer design, logo design, this is good, all right, for board. So once I click create board, it's going to save inside of the board. Now you see save to flyer. Now let me refresh. I'm going to go to create. Now can you see, once I click create, that flyer we just imported is now showing on my pin. Can you see this? Once I click on it, can you see it showing now? Can you see it showing? So this is how you create your portfolio. You keep on going like that. So assuming I added a website link, maybe Instagram link or any link, as we were trying to add this to the portfolio, immediately I click on this image, it's going to take me to that place. But because I did not add any link, all right, once I click on this image, Pinterest will start looking for another image that looks similar to this image. Now let's do that. I'm going to click on this image now. Can you see? It's giving me other images that are similar to my image that I just uploaded. But if I had added a destination website link while we were creating this pin, immediately I click on it, it's going to take me straight to that website. Do you understand now? So that is how Pinterest work. All right, that's how Pinterest work. So that's how you keep on creating pin, and this saved here. For instance, I'm working, let me go to my home. So let's say for instance, I see some stuffs here and I love those stuffs. I want to save them. I want to click on my saved. I'm just going to click on this 3 icon at the top, and I'm going to click on either download. All right, I can download this image, but if I want to save it, I'll just come here, this save button here, I'll click on save. So now you can see this guy's page. He has a follow icon. You can follow him. I can click follow now. I'm already following this guy. All right, I can click follow. Now you can see the guy. Once I click his page, the same way your page is showing, that's the same way his page is showing. He has a cover photo, he has a profile picture, he has a profile name. All right, and he has monthly view. You can see his monthly view is 3.2 million. His followers is 5,000. He's following 6 people. So that's the same thing also for your page. Once you come to this saved here, this is your page. You can add your image. Remember, before you can have these features, you need to switch from personal to business account. So now you see this is only one pin we have here. If somebody view this pin now, if people start viewing this pin, it will be showing in this place. All right, it's going to be showing how many people have viewed my pin. If someone saved this pin, it's going to show how many people have saved this pin. So if you have a lot of images here now, and you have a lot of images here, you already have your profile picture, you already have your cover photo. When a client now comes and he says, I want a link to your portfolio, your website, I'll just click on these 3 dots at the top, and I will click copy profile link, and I can go and paste this link to the client. And once the client click on that link, it will direct the client to this my page. And by then I should already have a lot of my designs here that can display for the client that okay, these are the designs. So that is how you create portfolio on Pinterest. Very easy, and it's something you can understand, and it's easy to do. And I urge every designer to have a Pinterest account. Let's go to search. Let me search my account on Pinterest. All right, let me search for Creators Lodge. All right. Yeah. Okay, can you see? This is my page, Creators Lodge. Now once I click on it, immediately it's going to display my page. This is my profile, this is my monthly view, this is my followers, this is my, so everything here is going to be displayed. Everything is going to be displayed. Can you see? So that is how you create a portfolio. All right, that's how you create a portfolio. All right, and this is also how you get inspiration. I've explained this over and over again in some of my videos, how you get inspiration. Let's assume now that I need inspiration. I'll just come to my search button here and I will click on, let's assume I need inspiration for a flyer design. I'll just click design flyer and it will bring up different flyer designs. So I need to be the one to look at the ones that are professional and the ones that are not professional. All right, the ones that are professional and the ones that are not professional. So I'll check out those designs. I can either download them to my phone or I can click on save. Once I click on save, it's going to ask me if I want to save on flyer or any other thing. I can decide to create another board. I can just name the board inspiration and click create, and it's going to save to inspiration. Now let's go back to my page. It's not going to show what I just saved now. It's not going to show on the created. It's going to show on my saved. Now let's go to my saved. Let me just refresh. Now can you see that the inspiration pin is showing? So you can also save people's inspiration, but the ones you create, the ones you upload will be here. And I will advise you that for the saved inspiration, you can make them private. All right, all those things you do them in the settings, but I won't be doing that so that this video won't be too long. But you can go to the settings. You make your saved private so that the only thing that will be showing your client comes to your profile is going to be the things you created. So this is how you create a portfolio in the Pinterest account. And I hope you will try this out, and I hope every one of you watching this video now will make use of this application, because it's a very powerful tool and it will help you get visibility on your brand, for your website, whatever thing you are going to use it for. All right guys, that will be all for this tutorial. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and please drop in the comment section what you think about this video. Please drop in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you in my next tutorial.